Hey there folks, how you doing today? My name is Mike here with Crandall Office Furniture, and in this video we will show you how to remove and install your seat height lever on your Leap chair. Let's get started folks. So here we have our seat height lever, and in order to remove it we want to press straight down on it with some force, like so, and it should just hang down from the hinges and come right off. Alright, so when we install the lever, we're going to insert the lever so this metal clip right here lines up with this stopper right here. And this is nice and loose, that's okay. Want to insert the lever into the bottom brackets first and pull straight up until it snaps into place. Like so, making sure the metal bracket is lined up inside the lever, like so. Okay guys, so that's how you remove and install your seat height lever on your Leap chair. Pretty easy process, but if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at crandalloffice.com. And as always, like and subscribe. Have a glorious day.